it blows my mind, but that's the culture. It's a culture of fear for sure. And it's a big culture of mind control too. MK Ultra mind control rules in Hollywood. If you don't know, Google that and look into it.
That could only be the musical stylings of Victor Oladipo, who is the reigning two-time champion of the All-Star Weekend player talent show.
You are talented. I give you a little credit on that. A lot of credit. You're very talented. I mean, you're not a karaoke guy like me, but you can actually. You know they call me O'Brown Eyes, right?
As a matter of fact, you both have experience singing New York, New York. His was at the Slam Dunk Contest. Yours was in Vegas.
Yes.
We had the show out there. Here's just a little sampling.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it in old New York. I want to wake up. I love to do karaoke. That's good, isn't it?
You see those two mics back there?
You made up your own words.
You see those?
Wait, that was the words.
Hey.
In old New York?
Dada, you have one picture, Dada, please. Dada, for AJ, you have one picture, please.
Closer. You're like an ant. It's on his foot. Stay there. Get back, dude. Give her space. Thanks. She's not going to do anything for you. You've got enough pictures, everyone.
Bye, Dada.
Well, it's a bit wet for that.
I love ya.
To be honest, I really can't complain. I was kind of, I was a little down when I found out I was injured and I had to have surgery again, or with another knee. But at the end of the day, I have amazing teammates. Guys like Draymond, everybody on this team, they come over there.
Costume contest. We do it every year. It's always a lot of fun. Let's get started. Our first caress.
Presidential possibilities with Senator Warren?
You guys have got to try the cold chai.
Did you talk about Vice presidential possibilities with Senator Warren?
You guys have got to try the cold chai. In every way, and I was very proud of
about
it.
vice presidential? Did you talk about vice presidential possibilities with Senator Warren?
You guys have got to try the cold chai.
I've had it.
In every way.
How about
In covertly recorded off-air transmissions from the Bush-Clinton presidential election campaign in the 1990s, we can see that Bill Clinton was nothing more than a puppet to the puppet masters which placed him in the White House. Bill Clinton's demeanor seems to be similar to a person who is under a hypnotic trance.
bad news for the Obama administration? We have this new CNN ORC poll, which is quite a turnaround in
I'm sorry.
Wipe the drool.
I was in a trance.
Yeah, wipe the drool there.